Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Roland Tagufa. Today we'll be moving to our next topic in Revit, which is documentation. We'll focus on how to document these designs in three phases. One is phase 1. We'll walk through the process of creating detailed views and 2D content, that is detailing. In phase 2, we'll generating different types of plans, views, and sheets, that is documenting. And in phase 3, finally, we're going to add text, notes, and dimensions, that is annotations. And guys, before we continue, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, let's get started. Now guys, I have opened a sample project and we'll discuss this phase 1 detailing. In this detailing, we'll be looking at the different tools and techniques that can be used to create detailed drawings in Revit. We'll be discussing two fundamental views in Revit. One is detail view and the other one is drafting view. What is detail view? As you can see, detail view is used to create plans. Here in our screen, you see it. And then elevations. We have this elevations south. I can double click this south and make more details from this. And then make sections. We can make sections. Let's make a section here. And then I double click it and call outs. So let's make a call outs. I go to view and call outs and make a call outs here. This call out is used to separate this from our sections and make more detail. If you have something to emphasize in this part, we need to make a call out and make more detail. We can use this call out to make specific parts of a building such as windows, doors, or structures more detailed. If I double click this there, I can make and I can elaborate more the things that I want to show in this call out. All the things that cannot be placed here in section 4, when you are doing your shop drawing, you can place it here in call outs. Or you can also make this call out if this is big and we cannot place it in our drawing sheet, we can separate this. As you can see, if I click this, what you call this, cutting line, this one will cut. And I can drag this one down and make this call out more small. I can bring this also up again, and then I can drag it here, drag it more, and it goes back. Or I can again click it and again drag this not to connect, and then I can again click another one, cut another one, and I can make 3 and drag it more like this. So this is how to show that we can make these sections more small and fit to place in our sheets. So this one I have cutting, and I can place more details that I need to place in our windows and even into these beams. So this is meant by our drafting view. So now guys, that I have discussed a little bit about this detailed view, now let's talk about this drafting view. Drafting view is a blank canvas that you can use to create details using 2D elements. So let's go to this view. I'll go to this view tab, and there is a drafting view here at the middle. Drafting view. If I click this drafting view, then it pops up this new drafting view. Drafting name, drafting 1, and scale 1 is to 100. So I'll accept this default. Okay. And then it brings me into this blank screen. There is nothing here. We cannot do anything here. Only what we can do is we can make what you call this, we can make a drawing. And by the way, guys, there is two types of there are two types of drafting view. One is drafting, as you can see it here. There is a drafting view, and the other one is a legend view. There is a legend. So if I'm going to click this legend and then legend, it brings me into another one, new legend. And if I click this OK, and then okay, I'll just make a scale here, 1 is to 100, and then or there is also a 1 is to 100 here, and then OK, and there it is. It is also a blank sheet, and nothing you can do with this. Only what you can do is you can make a detail line. So what is detailed line? Let's talk about detailed line. In detailing, there are tools, a variety of tools or parametric tools you can use. You can use this tool to create strictly 2D geometry or to augment details you are trying to create from 3D plans, sections, or call outs. So as I have discussed earlier, I can make also a detail line in my 3D plans, sections, and so on and so forth. You can use this detailed line also in drafting and legend view. So detail line tool, the shortcut is detail, is the first tool located on the detailed panel of the annotation tab. So as you can go to this annotation, there is a detail line, this detail line. If I'm going to click this detail line, so we're going to discuss these two. One is detail line and region. This is the one that I am going to discuss today. So I'll go to this detail line. I'll just escape detail line. And then in detail line, there are what you call this, there are three major panels on this new tab. One is line style here, and then draw, and then modify. So we'll talk about them in order from right to left. So let's talk about this line style. This panel includes a drop-down menu that allows you to choose a line style in which to produce the line work in this view. As you can see, there is a drop, and you can choose a line. In AutoCAD we call it flat style, and here they call it line style. You can use this line style as you can see. If I'm going to select this hidden and I make a circle there, it is a hidden line. And also I go back to this DL, and then I'm going to select this thin line, and I make a line, and there is a thin line. I'll check this thin lines, TL, and then there is also what you call these wide lines. Let's see if it's wide or not, or there is wide. And then you can select any type of line style that you can use whenever you do a drawing. And you can also customize your line style. So as I go to this modify, So I go to this manage, and then in manage I can go to this additional settings, and there is line style. You can create a line style as much as you want. So I'll just click that plus here on left, and then it goes down, and there is modify category new. I can click a new, and then I name this one, maybe I want to make red modify style. I name it like this, and then okay, and then there it is. You can change this line weight, maybe 7, maybe 10, and then make it set, make it red, and then okay. And there is also a line pattern you can choose. You can choose solid, any type, as dashboard, any hidden line you can select, and we will choose this solid, and then apply, and then okay, and then okay. And then I'll go back to that DL, and if I go to this line style, I'll click this down arrow, and you have seen this red, and I click this, and then I make a line, and here is my red line. You can create any line style as you want, just as what we are doing in our AutoCAD. You can make also your own plot style. Now let's talk about this draw panel. Draw panel contains a number of geometry tools to draw within the active view of the tools. The active view, the tools allow you to create lines, rectangle, and this is inscribed polygon, and then circumscribed polygon, circle, and this one is start and arc. We always use this, and this one is center and arc, and this is spline. This is tangent and arc, and this one is fillet arc, and this one is spline, and this one is ellipse, and this one is partial ellipse, and this one thick line. So you can use all of those things in order for you to make a line. So as you can see, if I'm going to make again another line, I'm going to make like a rectangle here, and I'm going to choose these wide lines. I make it like this, and then have you noticed it? Once I have drawn one line, the first line that I have drawn earlier, it goes down, and this one it goes up. And again, if I'm going to make another one, like for example, I'm going to make another DL, and I make these wide lines, and red modified, and I'm going to make this polygon, there, and now my red lines is at the top. What if I want to make this black line going up? Just select this block, and there is also an option bring to front and send to back. And here, if I click this bring to up, there is also a drop arrow. There is bring to front, and there is 1, 2, 3. It goes up to 3 up, and then brings down 1, 2. If I'm going to select this brings up, bring to front, there in front, because it is already 3, 1, 2, 3. Now it goes to 3. It goes up, and there it goes down. If you want to bring this also higher than this other one, you can bring it bring to forward, and there it is. It is now up into this another one line. As you can see, there it is up. And then Now, let's discuss about one thing. There is also thing that I wanted to discuss to you, DL. And here in line style, there is a line. If I'm going to draw, like for example, I want to draw a rectangle, just a rectangle, and I want to change all of these lines and the thickness as I go up. Again, DL, and then line. I'll just go and make a line. And then if I wanted to change my plot style, you cannot change it because we are on chain. If you want to change your plot style, just hit escape once, and then again you go to this line style, and then go to this medium, and I can make a line again, and then again hit once, and I'll go to this red modified, and again I can go and make a line like this, and again hit escape once again, and then I'll go to this there is a line, thin line or hidden line, and again can make a line like this line, and there. Now guys, let's talk about this region. So I want to talk about this region. I go to this annotate, and there is a region. So this region, there is field region and masking region. So let's talk first with this masking region. So I'll go and click this masking region, and let's say I'm going to create a square like this, and just finish this, and there it is, a masking region. This is a mask, and this one is covering these two lines. These two lines, that is a masking region. And you can also bring this up. If you want to bring this up front, there it is. If you want to bring this also back, there it is, it goes back. You can do like this. This is a mask, and this is all whole blank lines. The difference of this is I'm going to make a rectangle, DL, and I'll just make a rectangle. I'll just select this lines or medium line, and rectangle. As you can see, these are all covering, and this one is only this one covers. It's transparent, it's not a solid. Here one is solid white. And then again, let's talk about this field region. There is a field region, and if I'm going to create a field region, I'll just create a field region, and here on this property you can select your field region. You can select, there is a drop arrow, and it's nothing here. So if I'm going to make a field region, because there is nothing there, just select this, and then you don't have any selections because I only have one. And if you want to change this, if you are not satisfied with this, you can change this, and just click this and go to this edit type, and in edit type you can duplicate it, and let's say I wanted to make a sand, and then okay. And here in foreground fill pattern, you can click this builder button, and in builder button there is a fill pattern that you can select. There is a sand. I'll just select this sand, and then okay, and then apply, and then okay, and there it is, sand. And again, we use also this as our earth, what you call this earth pattern, DL in our ano in our field region. I go to field region, and then I wanted to make a square, and then I just select this, and then again I'll finish it, and I'll go to this make it bigger, and I'll go to this edit type, and I can again change, duplicate this, and again just type earth, and then okay, and then here you can go to this button, this builder button, and you can select this earth. There is earth here, here earth, and then okay, and then apply, and then okay, and there is an earth. You can make this more. I'll just drag this out, and again like this. So I wanted this one to become more, and I go back to this drafting, and here you can edit this fill pattern. I edit it, and I can change this scale or custom, and I can change this import scales in any shape I want. Maybe I want to have this 0.5 scale. Before is 1, I'll divide it into 2, and then okay, and then okay, and then apply, and then okay. Now the scale is changed. If I undo it, I'll undo it, then it goes back. If I scale it, this one will become more. I can change it as much as all the scales that I want. Maybe I'll make it 0.2, and then okay, and then okay, and then apply, and then okay, and there it is. Now guys, our detailed line is created in Legend, and we have discussed to you the two types of this drafting view. There is two types of drafting view. One is Legend, and the other one is drafting. Legend drafting, and then this one is drafting. So what is the difference? As you can see, both has a little difference only. You can do your detailed line also in 2D here in drafting 1. I can make all the things that I have done here in Legend 1. I can draw a circle, and I can draw any shape or geometry that I wanted to draw. I can draw it here. And just the difference of these two is about this component. So in component, if I'm going to drop this down, this component, this Legend component is grade, while in Legend, this Legend component is you can access it. So again, the difference of these two is like this. So if I'll go to a sheet, like for example, I want to open this one sheet floor plans. I open this floor plan, and I want to place my drafting view here. So I have created this drafting view and place it here. here, and there I can place. And then again, I'll place my legend that I have created. I place this legend here, and there I can place it. I can place it anywhere. I can place it here. There is my legend. And then if I'm going to open again another sheet, like I want to open this another sheet. I only have one sheet, so I'm going to make a sheet. I'll make a sheet, new sheet, and just adapt this. And I have created the one sheet, and there is another sheet that I have created, and the name is unnamed. Oh, there is also another sheet here, and this one. There is two sheets. So I have created this sheet, one sheet. So I'll drop this drafting that we have created. As you can see, when I drop it, it doesn't go. This view is already placed on a sheet 101 floor plan. To place a similar view on a sheet, you can use the duplicate view or duplicate with detailing command to create a copied view. You can also use a duplicate as a dependent command to create a new view that is tied to the original view, allowing you to split and crop this dependent view across multiple sheets. It means that you cannot place this if you have already used it. What you can do is you can use it again if you will make a duplicate. It means to say you need to make a copy to copy again and again so that you can use it in every sheet. While in legend view, if I'm going to drag this here, there it is. I can place in any sheet that I make. So I'll go to this one and I'll go back to other one sheet. Let's say I'll go to this another sheet, this two, and I'm going to place this legend. I can place this again there. I can place in every sheet that I want to place all of these legend that I have created. While this drafting view, I can only place one. I can once. I cannot place it again. All you need to do is to create another one. You can make a duplicate. If I'm going to make a duplicate of this, let's say I just click it and then go to duplicate, just duplicate, and then I have a duplicate, and then I can use it again. I'll go to this sheet, and then I can use it again. Empty. I'll just delete it, and then I'll duplicate it with the detailing, and then I'll go back to this A2, and then I drag it, and there it is. I can use it again. Alright guys, that's it for today, and we'll see you again on my next video. On my next video, we'll discuss more about these detailing tools. Alright guys, till we meet again, thank you for watching. Firmilenge, Allah.